Google Sheets offers a convenient spell check feature to avoid embarrassing spelling mistakes. It scans your document, highlights errors, and provides suggestions for corrections. I have a small travel spreadsheet containing some famous travel places in the world. I have purposefully added a few spelling mistakes to help illustrate how the spelling check feature works. To check spelling, click Tools on the menu. Next, hover over Spelling. Finally, select Spell Check. The Spell Check dialog box displays. It displays the misspelled words it has found, then gives you the opportunity one by one to decide if you want to change the spelling or ignore. Eiffel Tower has been identified as misspelled. A suggestion has been given to correct it. Click Change to accept the correction. The correction has been made. The next misspelling is presented in the dialog box. Let's continue through the spell check. The suggested changes are made and the spelling check is completed. Our spreadsheet is now free of spelling errors.